So, for those of you who are familiar with YouTube's criteria, you know that you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers before you could make even 1 penny off of YouTube. But what if I told you that there's another way you can make so much money from YouTube by just watching videos? Yes, watching videos. And I have recently started doing it because I recently discovered that you can make so much money from YouTube by just watching videos, and this is what I mean. Let's check out how this video went and let's see if we can recreate something like this.
Before the beginning there was only God. He has never ceased to exist. He exists from eternity. He had no origin. He is the origin of everything.
So yes, that is a video of me watching some videos and reacting to them. And look, even you can do the exact same thing. And anyone can do the exact same thing. Believe me, the greatest YouTuber on YouTube uses this technique, which is Mr. Beast. And he recently discovered that, or should I say, not really recently, but he discovered that you can make so much money from YouTube by just watching videos. Graham Stephan has used this technique to make about $5 million just off of YouTube. And I have proof, and I'm going to show you how to do it just in a minute. So make sure you stick around till the end because you do not want to miss even one single second. You're going to regret it if you do that. Now, like I said, there are a whole list of YouTubers that use this exact same technique. Mr. Beast being one of them, I Show Speed being another of them. Logan Paul and KSI do the exact same thing. I mean, even Graham Stephan does the exact same thing. So this technique I have shown you are proven technique that so many YouTubers use. Even this lady, the comment section, she does the exact same thing. And I lately realized and I decided to jump into the trend of making money via watching YouTube videos. And this can actually boost your views, boost your subscribers, boost a whole lot of things only if you follow this technique step by step. And now I'm going to give you an example from a whole lot of YouTubers that do this thing. So first things first, if we log on to YouTube and then we come onto YouTube and search for reacts and just click enter. So we're going to see various videos of people, watching other videos to make money. Now we can see it right here. So these are examples of people who react to other videos and this is how it's going for them. So all you need to do is we can just click one of them. Let's click this one.
This is called the urinal test. This one's a no-brainer. I'd definitely go all the way to the right. You want to space yourself as much as you can. Here, I'd probably go to the same thing, because anything else and you're kind of too close to people, you definitely don't want those two in the middle, because then you're like stacked between people. This one's a no-brainer. You want to go directly in the middle, otherwise you're shoulder to shoulder with somebody.
They're different levels.
Weird. This is a lose-lose, honestly, all around, but I think you just have to take one of the edges. I don't think it matters too much. I think you go middle here, because if you go to the left, you're going to be next to two people on your left, whereas if you're on the middle one, you only have one person directly to your right.
Is that something you guys have to actually think about?
Yes.
My all-male team is sitting in here being like, oh, yeah, that's like the mental gymnastics. Me waiting for the whole damn building to be empty. This is fascinating, guys. See, men and women are very different.
Exactly. Men and women are very different. And now also I forgot to mention, there are a whole lot of political stuff on YouTube that you can watch and react to. There are a whole lot of stuff maybe about Donald Trump that you can watch and react to. Now, I'm going to show you another example of someone doing the exact same thing, which is one of the greatest YouTubers of our time, which is Mr. Beast, if not the greatest YouTuber. So if we come here and search for Mr. Beast Reacts. So this is a channel where he literally watches things he just watches things just to make money. And we can see it right here. So if we come to the shorts, and we can click one of these videos in random and let's try this one.
Big Macs cost around the world. The cheapest Big Mac in the world is in Russia, then Turkey, Indonesia, Malaysia, Romania.
I thought they would all just cost the same thing though, everywhere.
I think a Big Mac meal in America is around $3. No, I think it's like $5.
Mexico, $3.34.
Well, it's getting up there. But how high do Big Macs go?
Canada.
Canada, you're right above us. Yours should be cheap.
Sweden. United States.
Wait, United States, $5.80?
What?
Why are we the most expensive? We're the home of the Big Mac. We made it.
So it's the exact same thing Mr. Beast does. And also another YouTuber that utilizes this strategy and makes so much money also is Graham Stephan.
Hey, so for anyone curious how much I make on YouTube with 3.5 million subscribers, here you go, I'll take you into my analytics. So in total, we did 110 million views this year, and as you can see, the views every day ranges anywhere from about 200,000 on the low end, sometimes about 500,000 on the high end. That was a good day. Now, in terms of revenue, it really varies, but I found usually on the low end, it's about $3,400. Sometimes on the high end, that was a great day there, almost $13,000. But for the most part, it ranges anywhere between $4,000 and $6,000 a day. So when you add all of that up, we come
$2 million just from a single year.
to $2,035,510.70 earned in 2021. And then if we go to the lifetime revenue, look at this is where it gets crazy. We got, drumroll,
$5.4 million, literally $5.4 million. And sometimes all he does in his channel is watch other people's videos and just create content about it. It is that simple. And now if we look at his channel, he has approximately 5 million subscribers, and then he has made over 1,000 videos. Why? Absolutely because he reacts to people's videos and a whole lot of that stuff. So let's look for one of these videos in which he reacts to other people's videos. So this is the video clearly.
Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So we gotta watch this video, okay?
You see, it is that simple. He makes the intro of the video and he makes it clear that he watches other videos, and he watches a video and he makes money from watching a video. So it's that simple. So I don't even need to come and explain so much, but let's see a little bit more.
I love watching these videos of the day in the life of millionaires and multimillionaires and decamillionaires, but you know what? Who has the best life is none other than the Forex millionaires, the people who trade currencies, and I still don't know.
And it's so simple. So we've gotten the tip from Alex G. So all he does is he watches millionaires, the Forex millionaires, the crypto millionaires, the dropshipping millionaires, and some of these millionaires you see on YouTube that flaunt their lifestyle. So he watches these people and you can do the exact same thing. So first things first, we're going to go into a new page. And before that, I forgot to mention something. Making a YouTube video, there are two kinds of videos. There are trending topics and there are evergreen videos. Trending topics are videos that go viral quickly and they have a certain time in which they trend. Maybe for about 6 months they're going to be on the trend, and after 6 months they're going to die. Maybe for example an iPhone 16. But then we have an evergreen topic, and the problem with an evergreen topic is a whole lot of times evergreen topics, they don't really go viral that quick. It takes about maybe about 3-4 months for an evergreen topic to go viral. But a trending topic, sometimes a trending topic can go viral within the next 24 hours of you uploading it. So whatever you want to do, but for this video we're going to stick to a trending topic. So we're going to log on to YouTube and search for Google Trends, and then we're going to come over here in Google Trends. We can now search for anything. We can see the things that are trending. There are a whole lot of football trends and so on and so forth. So we can come here and click trending now just to see the things that are trending currently. So as we can see, past 24 hours and so on and so forth. So these are the trends that, I mean, you can see them 21 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 24 hours ago, and so on and so forth. So let us stick with Boba, or let us stick with Napoli versus Camo. So now we can go back to YouTube and search for maybe something like Napoli versus Camo versus Como, and we can see it right here. It's already here. So now we can see a video was literally uploaded about 8 hours ago and it has about 500,000 views. This one was uploaded about 11 hours ago and it has about 11,000 views. This one too. So people are uploading videos about these things and they are making so much money. Why? Because of Google Trends. So we can come and click one of these videos and we can record ourselves watching. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to act like I'm watching the video. We're going to see how we can now edit stuff like this. Let's say we do something like this.
Antonio Conte recognized as Coach of the Month for September. Lukaku.
And you can give some kind of facial expression.
Tomine! 25 seconds in, and Cesc Fabregas.
And then 25 seconds in, a goal is scored. So we can give some kind of expression while we're trying to edit the video. All you need right now is come into your editing software and click create new projects. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, just quickly, I want to show you how we can edit the record in which we made while we were watching football. So first things first, we have to come to that spot where we recorded ourselves watching football. I think it was here. Now edit stuff like this. So first things first, we're going to cut it out because it's a very short clip. It's not even going to take us up to 5 minutes. So we're going to cut it out, then drag it. Remember, this is the football clip, so we want the football clip to be above. But first things first, we have to cut it perfectly to where we were watching the football. Let's say, I think it was here. So we're going to cut this out. Click this bar or this icon to cut it out to the back side. Here is to split, here is to cut it to the back side, here is to cut it to the front side. Just play around. All you need is just play along with your CapCut, and when you play along with your CapCut, you get used to it better.
Antonio Conte recognised as Coach of the Month for September.
And then here we were acting like, we're watching. The reason I told you to do this is because, when you do it, it makes it look more real. That you can now play it.
And you can give some kind of facial expression.
Yeah, like I said.
25 seconds in, and Cesc Fabregas.
And then 25 seconds in, a goal is scored, so we can give some kind of expression while we're trying to edit the video.
Then we can pause it right here. And then I don't think we really need the rest. We just wanted to edit the clip of us watching football. Then we cut it out. Then now this is the screen record. Also, I forgot to mention, you also need to record your screen so you can add it above while you have recorded. Now, watch closely because this may confuse you. First things first, you would want to add it above the screen where you were watching the football, and let's see how we're going to cut the text together. We can see that one is longer than the other. We want them to be the exact same size. We want it as this one is reading in the exact same timeline, so no one is going to be faster than the other, because if one is going to be faster than the other, it's going to look confusing. So we need to first of all follow the voice. That's how I do it. Follow the voice of where the match was being played, and this is not the point.
So we can come and click one of these videos and we can record ourselves watching.
This is not it. So we have to fast forward it to where the match starts, and I think it started somewhere here. Yes, I think it started somewhere here. So we have to cut this out. I use Ctrl B to cut out, or you can use this button here to still cut out. Then you tap it and you delete, and then you drag this one back. We're seeing it's getting shorter. We want it to fall in the exact same timeline. Then we'll come back here again and play.
For the purpose of this video, I'm going to act like I'm watching the video, and we're going to see how we can now edit stuff like this.
Okay. So I think it starts from, so we're going to cut this out because we're saying something different. We want to balance where we were watching this is an image of us watching the match, and then this is an image of the match itself. This is the screen record. I believe you understand. This is the screen record, and then this is us watching ourselves, our own record. So we'll play it.
Antonio Conte recognised as Coach of the Month for September.
So let's go to the point where they scored a goal.
And you can give some kind of facial expression.
Yes, so I think this is exactly what we need. So we're going to go to the end and cut out the end because we don't need that part. Now, I know you see some videos where you're going to be wondering, so where is my face going to show? Yes, now, one thing you should know about CapCut is this is the main clip. The one underneath is the one at the bottom, or the first clip at the bottom is always the main clip. Then the one above is a B-roll. So what we want to do now is we have to swap it. So the main clip will be the screen record and the B-roll will be our face. So our face is going to show in the screen. Now let me just show you what I mean. I have to drag this a little bit down. Then we have to drag this up. And now we now see that we have swapped it. Do you understand? Now our face is now on top, which is the B-roll, and the main clip is now the screen record that we had. Now our face, we have to come here where we can see mask at the top right corner, and we're going to click on mask, and then you can choose any masking in which you want. Some people choose rectangle, some people choose circle. Me, I'm cool with circle, so we can see what happened. Then we're going to drag this a little bit so our face expression, this expression looks funny. So our expression is going to show. So as we have this, we're now going to go back and click on basic. So now we can see here that they showed scale, and then we're going to drag it down to whatever number you like. Me, I'm cool with 30%. So we're going to drag this, and then we're going to drag it to the corner. It's how you see all these videos, this is how they are made. Then we're going to pull it, and we're going to now see how it goes. First things first, before that, yes, so let us have a watch.
Antonio Conte recognized as
So first things first, you can see me. I am watching this video, and you, as a viewer, you are watching the both of them.
Coach of the Month for September. Lukaku.
And you can give some kind of facial expression. Yes, also, do not forget to make one of them silent, because if this one is speaking and this one is speaking, it's going to sound somehow. So we need the screen recording to be speaking because it is the football match we are watching. So we can decide to silence our own facial record and leave the screen record up. Then we can see how it went.
Here's an early chance for Scott McTominay.
And then we can now go and export it, and you're fine. This kind of videos are videos that you can now upload on YouTube. And then after editing a video like this, the next thing in which we're going to do is we're going to go onto YouTube and upload. And having videos like this, if we can be uploading videos like this consistently over and over and over again, you can be making so much money like Graham Stephan that makes about $5 million. Literally ever since he has opened his channel, and he made about $2 million this year. And I know it's going to be so difficult because at the end of the day, he has built his following, but from the beginning and from the scratch, you can do so much. Even if it's to make about $1,000 a month, that is a good result. You've got this and you can do this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Mr. Sam. Bye for now. How much Graham Stephan makes from YouTube? How much Graham Stephan makes from YouTube?